Hello everyone and welcome to Recipes You Like. For this festive season, we are making a very special Gujarati sweet Mohanthal. This special sweet can be made using simple ingredients at home. With this perfect recipe, your Mohanthal will turn out to be perfect, grainy and super yummy. So let's begin. For making Mohanthal mithai, we will require first milk. Milk should be lukewarm. It shouldn't be cold. We have taken here about 3 tablespoons of lukewarm milk, and in this we will add 3 tablespoons of ghee. Ghee should be at room temperature. We specifically use here lukewarm milk because if the milk will be cold, the ghee won't get diluted or dissolved in the milk, but it will settle down below. So to avoid this, the milk should be warm. Next, moving on, in this bowl we have taken a cup of gram flour besan. To this, we will gradually add in this mix of milk and ghee. While adding in, keep on stirring so that this liquid spreads all over the flour. Adding this liquid mix will make small lumps in the flour, which we definitely want. Using your hands, you can rub the flour so that the moisture of liquid, that is ghee and the milk, spreads all over the flour, and now you can see small lumps in the flour. We will keep this covered and let it to rest for about half an hour so that the basin, that is the gram flour, absorbs ghee and the milk in itself. And meanwhile, prepare the mold in which we will set the mithai. For this, we have greased our mold and we will line it with the butter paper or the parchment paper for easy demolding of our mithai. Next, for making Mohan Thal, we will require a sugar syrup. For this, we have taken half a cup of sugar. In this, we added 1/3 cup of water. Let the sugar melt over a low heat. And when the sugar completely melts, and let the sugar syrup boil over low to medium heat. Keep on checking in between till we get a one thread consistency or a soft sugar ball consistency. For this, dip your spatula or the spoon in the sugar syrup, and from the back of your spoon, take little bit of sugar syrup. Let it cool down first, and then take a little bit of sugar syrup between your index finger and your thumb and check it like this. If you can see a one thread, then it's okay, your sugar syrup is perfectly done. At this point, we will quickly add in half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, mix, and you can switch off your gas stove. Now, taking a pan, we will add in half a cup of ghee in it. Let the ghee melt over a low heat. On the other side, half an hour has passed, our basin is all set. We will add this to the hot melted ghee. Over a low heat, we will keep on cooking and roasting this basin in this ghee, breaking the lumps till the basin changes color to light brownish, and you can even smell the aroma of roasted basin. Here 20 minutes have passed. You can see the change in the color of the basin, and it has also become into small granules. At this point, we will add in half a cup of Khoya, which is even called as Mawa. We have crumbled it and added. We will continue roasting the basin along with this added Khoya over a low heat till you see the ghee oozing out. It won't require too much time. Within just 5 to 7 minutes, you will find the ghee oozing out, and at this point, add in a tablespoon of chopped cashews, and a tablespoon of finely sliced pistachios. Stir and mix in the dry fruit, then add in the warm sugar syrup. We have to be very particular about this, that the sugar syrup shouldn't be cold, it should be warm. Now continuously keep on stirring this mix over a low heat till it gets thick. That is the moment we get a halwa type of consistency like this, we have to immediately drop it into the side kept mold. We will give our Mohanthal mithai a shape and structure, level it up, and then let it to set. We had kept about a tablespoon of thinly sliced almonds aside. We will sprinkle this also over the mithai along with some more pistachios. Give it a light press so that the dry fruit sets in. Now we will let this mithai, Mohanthal mithai, to cool down and come down to room temperature. And when it comes down to room temperature, we'll cut this into any shape, size as you desire. Our perfect grainy Mohanthal mithai is ready. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon. Till we meet again. Bye bye for now. and happy Raksha Bandhan.